Are you tired of looking for a place to put your hot iron while using an ironing board in your home? Do you struggle to find a spot to store your iron and ironing board when you're finished using them? If so, we have a solution for you. Do you worry about the risk of accidents while using an ironing board storage rack? Are you tired of struggling with space while ironing your clothes? Introducing the electric iron hanger, the perfect solution to your space and safety concerns. The electric iron hanger is an innovative new product that allows you to easily and securely store your iron on any standard clothing hanger. So say goodbye to cluttered closets and the risk of accidents with the electric iron hanger, the ultimate space-saving and safety solution for every home. Guaranteed. It's the lowest price available in India, sourced directly from our seller's factory to our customers. The processing time for this product is 12 days. Take advantage of our current offer, as prices will increase if you wait to book.